back, guys, to TechDaveMT. Today we have the Sony XM3s. What to say, guys, one of the best out there for me. The story about these goes that the Black Friday of 2019 I saw these sweet headphones in a local store, and they were available for one to use them here, not like today during the pandemic. And I was very skeptical at the beginning with the noise cancellation, but these made me credit, what do you say it? They made me a believer, that's the word, a believer. And the box, the Sony XM3s, they boast about what Hi-Fi Sony August 2018 award, and why not? We have the black set here with the gold hints, we will see in a minute. Down here you have the high resolution audio, 30 hours of battery, that's important, 30 hours of battery. That's more than enough. It connects with Google Assistant or Alexa, and Bluetooth, obviously, wireless noise cancelling. This side there is only Sony. This side we have the, you can see like that, the headphones, the touches of the ear cup. We have the forward song, rewind, volumes, the call. You can even have reply to calls. You have a good mic on this one. It comes with a carry case, which we're going to see in a while, and it is something that we didn't mention. Maybe in less than or around 10 minutes you have a very good charge, it says here, to continue using them. Where it is, 10-minute charge, play up to 5 hours. There you go. Obviously, you can reply to your calls, 30 hours of battery, of songs, of usage, sorry, of battery too. And you have even the in-flight adapter, including with this one carry case we mentioned, and USB Type-C. To Apple, USB Type-C everything, but it seems that Apple will even skip that one and go portless, so they say, so rumors go. Here we have that it's iPhone and Android friendly or connectable, and that's it for the box. We can open the box, which is nice, and we are greeted by this one. Easy setup, 1 and 2. Practically you need to download the app with this scanning this one here, QR, and power on your headphones and connect via the app. Obviously, it goes without saying, it's straightforward. So the packaging has this nice leaflet here, which one can remove. It has app or Google Play Store. Then we have the carry case, which we'll see in a moment. And we have the usual papers and chart that Sony inserts here to explain everything. And the chart is ridiculously big that it won't fit in this video, but I will upload a photo for it and you'll see in this video. But however, it goes without saying that these things are quite straightforward. Let me put these aside. The carry case, nice and black like the headphones in this case, has a loop here. And give it from there. It has the nice rose gold hint of zip. I don't know if you can appreciate it against the light here. You can see there. And it has also Sony embossed on it. Let's try and show you. See? And on the other side we have the mesh net mesh, what to say it, so you can even put some small cards in it, just like so, and carry everything with you. It's quite sturdy, as its purpose is requested. If you go and open this case, you find the headphones, obviously, which can be folded in this way. As you can see, maybe that's better. Those are the Sony headphones. They can be put flat down like that, or on the opposite side, obviously. As you can see and appreciate, here Sony made some nice touches with gold, or brownish gold. The charging port, it's Sony here, and you can feel it too. So this is the charging port, this is the speaker. And the speaker has these holes here. There is a technical name for it. To amplificate or help assist in the noise cancellation, or to help you listen to the outside surrounding atmosphere when you cover one cup with your hand, just like this. You can cut the music and listen to the atmosphere, or keep the music going on and listen to the outside atmosphere, even for if someone is talking to you or something of the sort. It is obviously plastic, it's hard plastic, sturdy here. Then it can be even extended like this. It has some nice padding for the head, and obviously more paddings for the ears. It's comfortable and it's immersive. I can guarantee a nice quality sound, which is expected by Sony, and obviously the noise cancellation, which is second to none in this case. Sony really upped their game, and they were compared with Bose, and recently they're more expensive but more quality and in the design, so to say, the Apple Max, but those come out around 500 plus, while the Sony's recently went even down to 278 euros on Amazon, because right now we have even the XM4s available, which you have to fork out 250 or so euros. But I'm quite happy with this one for the time being, and I don't see the need to upgrade for the moment. Down here you have, maybe we skipped them before, the power button and the one you need to connect, and around here we have the charging port. Charging port down there. The XM3s is for an audiophile or for everyday use one of the best noise cancelling wireless headphones. Nice, elegant, Sony, you have it all. Check them out, I highly recommend. Very high quality and nice sound with the Sony XM3s. They are my daily wireless headphones. That's it for today. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch it up with you in the next one. Peace.